In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send invoices in HoneyBook. Let's dive into the steps so you can effortlessly manage your invoicing while maintaining a professional edge. First things first, we need to get started by opening or creating a project in HoneyBook. If you're already on the dashboard, you can either click on an existing project or select the plus sign to initiate a new project. Here, you'll find a space to enter your client's name along with essential project details. This step forms the foundation of your invoicing process, as it's vital to have all client information accurately listed to avoid any confusion later on. Now that we have our project ready, it's time to create the invoice itself. Inside your project's workspace, you'll see an option for Create File. Click on this and then select Invoice. Once there, you'll enter the list of services or products you're charging for. Each item added should be detailed enough so that your client knows precisely what they're paying for. Transparency is key to maintaining a trustworthy relationship with your clients. Following that, establish the amount you're charging, set a due date, and decide on the payment schedule. Decide if this will be a one-time payment or if you prefer to spread out the payments over time. HoneyBook allows you flexibility here. If your services or products are subject to taxes, or if you want to offer a discount, you can include those details in this section as well. They say the devil is in the details, and getting this right ensures there won't be any billing surprises down the line. The next step can truly make your invoice stand out: customization. Adding your business logo and personal branding can lend a professional and cohesive look to your invoice, making it more identifiable and memorable for your clients. Take this moment to write a personal message or include any specific payment instructions. Perhaps include a thank you note, a small touch that goes a long way in making the transaction feel more personal and less transactional. Finally, it's time to send the invoice. When you're ready, click on Review and Send. You can choose to send it via an email link, or if you prefer sharing it in another way, simply copy the link to distribute it manually. Your clients will then receive your invoice and can conveniently view and pay directly online using a card or bank transfer. This ease of payment can significantly improve cash flow and client relationships. And there you have it, the simple yet effective steps to creating and sending invoices through HoneyBook. With these tools at your disposal, you're well on your way to streamlining your business's financial operations while ensuring client satisfaction. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your invoicing with ease.